How to fix Android Auto not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Android Auto isn't working, freezing, disconnecting or not launching, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is open your settings. Now tap on connected devices. Then from here select Android Auto. Now you want to make sure that everything is configured correctly over here, especially the option of Start Android Auto automatically. Tap on this and tap on the Always option over here if it is not. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Then from this list of applications, select Android Auto. Now tap on the Force Stop option. Once that is done, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. After this, if your problem is still not fixed, launch open Play Store. Now here you want to search for Android Auto. Here, you want to check if the latest version of the Android Auto app is installed on your device or not. If it is not, tap on the update button to update this application to the latest version. Now, simply you want to restart your device and then check, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.